How to split screen on Android phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open the app from which you want to split screen, which you want on top. Then open the tabs. After that, simply hold on to the tab and you'll find split screen option. Click on split screen. After that, you'll find all your tabs. From here, choose the one with you want to split screen. Simply select it and your screen has been splitted. You can also adjust split screen option as well. And this is how to split screen on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.